RWD. We back at y'all with another video. We got the G, we got RT, we got Zay in the back. Couple of my homeboys and shit. We deep and shit. We going out Laurel. You already know, you back on that cam.
Man, we back on the cam, man.
Real shit.
Part 2, man.
Yeah, man. Real shit.
Nothing else to say.
Nothing else to say.
Big
That's
RT in this motherfucker. Big 37 in this.
Y'all already know Zay and shit like that. I already know what's going on and shit like that. You feel me? And then RT, motherfucker. I'm my boy Collins and Corey the motherfucking cut and shit like that. You feel me? See that motherfucking G with no motherfucking plate on that bitch. We got Tino, VQ STINO, STINO RWD, Tino, you feel me?
Got my mans. I know G37 in the cut.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Both my boys in the cut.
It's cold as shit.
Y'all see what we doing.
It's cold as a motherfucker. Not gonna lie. But shit, we gonna get into it. Probably gonna put the 360 on the camera on the trunk, see how it go. I got it in the car. I see I got the heli on me. It's a little heli cold. That shit ain't make no sense. But I ain't getting old. I'm running around in the drop top. About to spin a band. Talk to me. I'm gonna hit you in your motherfucking shit.
First of all, I'm not a rapper.
That's a Hellcat in there? It's a fucking Hellcat in there, I ain't gonna lie. They got cat in his shit. Yeah, y'all be on the way to meet and shit or take over or whatever the fuck it's called. Zay really spent his Charlie for the first time in I don't know how long, so I don't know what else he gonna do. I told him his tire tread good. He's on 275s on the rear and shit for real. So we got to see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wait to spin my car. You feel me? I ain't gonna spend it today. Not today. I bust up the boys last night and shit. So I'm not about to do that today. You know what I mean? 11:23, December 1st. Man, that purple light kind of hard. Look, that is right there. Like it's on my shit. But yeah, he taking too long. I don't know what the fuck he doing. What the fuck y'all talking about? What the fuck going on in here, bro? Oh, you trying to teach him? Okay, yeah.
See, our cars are different.
Got cool
upshift is up for us.
Up for yeah. This is down, yeah.
So when you want to upshift, you click down.
So what you think I should do when I'm outside?
So I don't know how these cars are. G's are second gear. But I don't know how these are.
It's probably second because he only got
Try second.
55, what, 5,800 before red line? Yeah. So I'll probably do second. But starting first though and see how it is. Let's see what he got. Oh, he gotta stop. And one wheel peeling. One wheel peeling. Yeah, it's the one in sport though. Oh, okay. That's probably okay.
I know.
Okay, that's a bad. So, alright. You say it wasn't the sport, y'all. Yeah, it's still one wheel peeling.
It's not you, bro. It's just.
Yeah, it's a car. That shit not you, bro. Oh. Alright.
You know.
Hey, yeah, I'm ready to slide real quick.
We'll fuck with it real quick, man.
I'm I'm about to slide real quick. Just a few circles. See how my shit did.
I got you.
Yo, did that bitch too. Hold on. Let me get another. I thought he was ready to do it again for the badass, yo.
Nah.
Yo, how the
Shit cool, cool.
How the fuck is this shit slide like nothing? Fuck with me, bro. My shit not fucking with me, bro.
Some cool shit, y'all.
Oh yeah, you did that one, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't want to do too much.
Good, bro.
Thank you, bro.
That bitch. Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, he did that shit. I ain't gonna bullshit you.
Soaking that
He did
motherfucker
that
up.
shit, Brody. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you, Rowdy.
I ain't gonna lie. You did that shit, Brody. I ain't gonna lie.
I still got hella tread? Yeah, yo.
I'm like, all right,
I think you should try
hard to
going the
do it
other
a little
way.
bit.
I was, but I didn't want to burn my shit up too
that
much.
shit, bro. So he did that shit, yo, that bitch started just.
Second gear? You talking about second gear?
I was second gear the whole time.
Oh, yeah, I got
Second gear the whole time.
perfect angle out this bitch. I ain't gonna.
I started getting close.
You second gear for real?
Nah, Brody, I got. Hold up.
Let me see two of y'all shit.
Swinging wide.
Nah, this shit.
Oh, you got the outside. I was just
I
fucking.
wasn't playing. I said, that's why I said, go ahead, let me do it again.
He got the ties.
Oh my, yo,
That's
this,
it.
I'm sorry, I ain't gonna lie. You
Nah,
got
good.
you a perfect thumbnail right here. No bullshit.
Right here with the tie.
Hold on, wait, watch this, watch this. Perfect ass thumbnail.
Boom. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh y'all need that. That shit sitting low too, man. That bitch was sitting damn. Good looking, baby.
Fucking stop. I knew you
Maybe it's just the
Bro, you hear
that
intake, man. That bitch sounds so hard.
There's cars that like
Underground tuning, by the way. Scatty Patty. motherfucker sound ridiculous. Not gonna lie to y'all. Underground tuning. My gosh.
I know you got to give a video.
Okay, so. Good way to end out the video, y'all. One little last pull. That RT is low-key fast as a bitch. That's alright. I got something for him in a couple weeks. Peace out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and shit like that. And yeah, we out.